Hi, I'm Malin Leslie. I'm the creator and founder of Dollylocks Organic Products, and I'm here today to share with you our newest product, the cleansing spray. It's available in tea tree spearmint, rosemary, peppermint, nag champa, lavender sky, and we also did a collaboration with Dreadlock that smells amazing. This product is meant to cleanse the scalp without using water. And if you have as much hair as I do, you will understand that hassle of the drying time. So you can use the cleansing spray between washes. It's not meant to take the place of liquid or bar or shampoo. It is for in between. So it will help to remove any excess oil, debris, or even break up dandruff on the scalp. It is fantastic for extending the time in between actual shampooing your hair and getting your hair wet. You'll be able to save time and stay dry. That's what I like to say. It's great for all hair types and styles. It's not just for dreadlocks, although it is specifically designed for dreadlocks, but you can also use it on braids and brushable hair as it's meant to cleanse the scalp. And as long as you have a scalp, you can use cleansing spray. I'd like to take a moment just to explain the difference between the cleansing spray and the refreshing spray because we have gotten that question a couple times. The cleansing spray is meant to be sprayed onto the scalp and removed with a cloth, whereas the refreshing spray is a leave-in product that is designed to stimulate the scalp in between washing. So you could actually use the refreshing spray in between the cleansing spray. I hope that helps. If you have any questions though, please feel free to reach out to us anytime. And now I would like to take a moment to show you how to use the cleansing spray. I'm going to use the tea tree spearmint because this is my particular favorite. I recommend sectioning your hair out. I'm just going to show you the left side of my hair, but if I was going to do my whole head, I would do left, then right, then top, then back. It's just easier to keep track that way. So on the left side, I'm going to spray it directly onto my scalp and then go to the next row. A little bit goes a long way, so just give it one little spray. Let it sit for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to use the exfoliating towel. You can find these on our website, or at home if you have a microfiber towel, that will work just as well. Just make sure that you're not using a cloth or a towel that has fibers that will get stuck in your dreadlocks. And then just give your scalp a little rub. Make sure also that your cloth is damp. That's going to help to move the product and absorb excess oil. If you're using the exfoliating cloth to help to break up any dandruff that you might have, you can go back and reapply and then rub the scalp again. Just make sure that you're going in between the dreadlocks and be gentle to your scalp. So that is basically it. And yes, it really is that easy. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at dollylocks.com. You can also subscribe to our videos here on our YouTube channel or visit us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks. Bye.